Looking to level up your gaming experience while earning exciting rewards at the same time? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a free rewards app that has everything you need. With this app, not only will you enhance your gaming skills, but you'll also unlock exciting rewards along the way. Watch now and unlock a whole new world of earning possibilities. Before we start, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. I share incredible methods to make money online that can be done from anywhere in the world. Comment below with your country and I'll create specific videos tailored for your region. Let's dive right in. Play and win with Tap Champs. Play the games you love and win prizes. Tap Champs is the rewards app that has everything you need to take your gaming experience to the next level and earn rewards at the same time. Tap Champs is playable by all mobile game enthusiasts alike. Go from just playing games to paying games with Tap Champs, the rewards app that awards you to play the games you already love and introduces you to new ones, all in one app. Find fun games to play and earn rewards from anywhere. Play and win. With a growing list of some of the most amazing games around, you can play so many of your favorite casual games like Yahtzee, Wordscapes, Cooking Madness, Solitaire, Bingo, Word Connect, and more. The more you play, the more rewards you can collect. You can invite your friends to play and earn rewards too. The Tap Champs Game Rewards app is simple to use, so you can start playing the games you love and earn rewards anytime, anywhere. Download Tap Champs Rewards app and start playing new or familiar games. Accumulate reward points instantly when you start playing. Redeem your points for Visa gift cards and other amazing rewards and prizes, or get paid directly through PayPal. That's it. No forms or additional tasks are required. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your gaming experience into something extraordinary. Join thousands of gamers who are already enjoying the benefits of Tap Champs Rewards app. Play and win with the Rewards app. Tap Champs. Download today to start playing games with rewards. In the end, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.